All three drivers at the front of the field are improving. Charles Leclerc to the line. Charles Leclerc improves to pole position. Can Max Verstappen find an answer? He's out of the parabolica. The Red Bull driver going up through the gears, flat to the floor, looking for a 9th pole this season. Verstappen takes it away from Charles Leclerc. What a great lap. And it's over to you, Carlos Sainz. Carlos Sainz takes pole position to raise a roar from the crowd. And the Tifosi are jubilant because Carlos Sainz has a 4th career pole and a first one at the Italian Grand Prix. Russell is in 4th at the moment.
Zari emotion gusa rero zari emotions gusa aho ngaho Monza aho abashoferi ba Ferrari nyuma y'igihe kirekire baca mu bintu bitoroshye kera kabaye mu rugo kabisa mu Butaliyani imbere y'abafana babo babashe kwihagararaho muri qualifying kabisa babasha kwihagararaho bakubita Max wari warazengereje isi yose pole zose yarazigizize ariko Monza se wo bita Sense kabisa Carlos Sense abasha kumuhirika atwara pole position ya Monza hanyuma ariko na Charles Leclerc nawe ntiyari kure ko yabaye wa gatatu niwe mbere waruri kuri pole position kuri lap ya nyuma Max amukuraho ariko Sense nyuma aza gutabara abatariyani rero baza kurara bishimye cyane bitewe nuko ahanga nyine mu Butaliyani bari bakeneye kubona nabo ibyishimo bivuye ku modoka yabo ya Ferrari nuko byagenze rero na Ferrari nayo ntiyigeze ibatenguha babasha kuba muri qualifying bitwara neza ariko urugamba ntirurarangira kuko uyu munsi ku cyumweru mu kanya saa 10 hagomba kuba noneho haba race noneho ya nyayo amarapu 53 Sense ugomba gutangira ari imbere nyuma ya hari Max ndetse inyuma ya Max haraza kwa hari Charles Leclerc turaza kureba ninde uri bukurusinga umurongo w'umweru ariko umwanya wa mbere nyene tuze kura SFR ariko ko irakomeza habafana baye ibyishimo cyangwa ni bya byishimo by'akanya gato cyane.